that we just get straight to business. I was waiting for you guys to finish typing that side, but you guys saw my message late, I think. So it is okay. It's okay. Some things I want to touch on before we get to what is on the group. So can you kindly just look at these things here? So when I am monetizing your personal brand la. I didn't that day one, but I know some people lama not sabafika so I do understand, but I feel like as a just ingenekiwe a bit kulabo labangasebenzi who might want to start something fast ne? So I just made this list 10 ways to make money from a personal brand ne? I just made it for you guys to open your eyes on some things. For Wekala, you can start your own consulting or coaching sessions. Asengithi asengithi utawucala wente ma one-on-one coaching. Maybe une skill leside, so you can start teaching people about lukhambelana with your skill. Noma you just change certificate sakho lowasithola emvas noma lowasithola college noma lowasithola kasebenta, it is still okay. You can start that class. For instance, kukhona class lengifundisako for making perfumes, for making amarolon, how to do diffusers, yabona. It's a simple online class, but we get to make, a lot of money there, because you just make like your document uyende kanye, urekhode le video kanye, and then the rest ukuthi uthengise again and again and again ne. So you can start your own, ufundzise lokwentako wena ne. You can do one-on-one, ungakwenta as a group noma nabe wente accounting, ungacala accounting firm noma wente ma-auditing services, uyabona. Awuyidzingi i-permit isikhathi lesiningi for all of these things basically. Kodwa i-permit la uyidzinga khona noma i-license la uyidzinga khona, it's a matter of ukuthi u-advertise kahle bantu bakuthembe, bantu bakubone, unga-aphili shinawe nje uscam, bathi nawabuka iprofile yakho bathi hhayi lokhu-ke kubaleka nemali yami lokhu, yabona. Ungenta nema-online courses, cale charge abantu 200 to 2000. There is actually one of my students lowa, after this class wabe sewayocala class lakhe lekwenta i-graphic design. It's a graphic design class. I think 5 days, but ucharge 500 for his class. Yeah, mina ngamcharge 300 for a course leya, cause the course last year. In fact, no, ngamcharge 200, beka kule list ya 200. But yena washintsha le skill leso usifundisa nga-500 yena for 5 days. So you see, some of my students are actually making a lot of money from online stuff. Lo munye ufundzisa i-carpentry, he was a carpenter, so ufundisa labanye how to do carpentry, started his own thing nyalo, ufundisa abantu. So you can start your own online course. Ungende ma-pre-recorded courses. Ma-pre-recorded courses ngilokuthi, like I said, ukuthi you record once and then you just sell. Ema-workshops ungakwenda physical classes, ungende ma-master class, ungende ma-boot camps, and then kulabo labakwati khuluma, kunabantu labakwati nje khuluma like natural, like uyatikhulumela nje. Nawe uyadathi nje ukuthi hhayi mina sesi ngiyakhuluma. Lo wami nesesi ngiyatikhulumela, akusiko ukuthi ukhulume tindzaba phela. Be smart nawe, ungabi a talkative fool ne. Khona ukuthi abe i-talkative fool, uyakhuluma nje but akanangcondo, ayina sense into la ikhulumako, uyabona. So we don't want that. We want constructive talking. We want asobe ngisisi ngiyatikhulumela mina but ukhuluma isense, yabona. Khuluma isense and ubhadalelwe for wona, instead of ukuthi ungena tindzaba tebantu, uchabanisa abantu simply because you can talk and get away with it. No, don't be like that ne. Asofaka ingcondo kulo, and then you start selling it. Uhambe uyokhuluma kuma-corporate trainings, ma-conference, ma-workshops and ama-webinar, yabona. Nangabe bantu abakwati, you can do a free event. Ngabe nje bantu basisengakakwati, you can decide ukuthi I'm going to do a class online, a free class, just once a month noma twice every month, until abantu baze bathi ukuthi hayi lo muntu lona ukhuluma isense, until ube nayo le base. Just host a class like this, just a 1-day class like this, ulende even on your phone. You can do it. There is nothing complicated. Ukuthi wena ube nema-notes, then you start sharing your screen. I say pelele indzaba, yabona. So you can start doing it. You can start doing it, and it really charges well. Well, Pinze, you can do my digital products. My digital products, you can sell them from 50 to 500. Like I said, good see, the class lemma perfume is 150. It's just an ebook. It's just an ebook like ngithengisako. Ngayakha once, ngithengisa 150. Every day I get some money from it. Like all I have to do is just to market. All I have to do is just to market. Then my guides, my workbooks, my checklists. For instance, now we are to go to umuntu like he went the nutrition, food and nutrition. So you can just start and say utsengisa uthi uthengisa what? Uthengisa i-guide, i-meal plan yemuntu lotethwele, i-meal plan yemuntu who's recovering from diabetes. People buy those things. People buy those things. If possible, ukuthengisa ka-YouTube, advertise ka-YouTube, because ka-YouTube lokahle ukuthi akufani na-Facebook, because Facebook ukurekhomendela abantu laba-local. Kanti YouTube uthole ama-clients angephandle. I think 90% of my subscribers on my YouTube channel are from outside the country. So kulula ukuthi lapho phona ngithi i-product yami ingi-$5. Nangisi nje i-product yami ingi-$5. It is small money kulabantu labale ngephandle, but nasothi 5 times 16, that is almost like it is a lot of money for Swazi people. So yabona, so sometimes siyadincisha i-potential simply because it's advertising abantu who are local. So make sure you utilize the YouTube platform for advertising. It will take some time gonna ufake video even at 0 views, uyifake lenye even at 0 views. It takes time to build audience, but if you do things right, some people they monetize in just a month, but some they monetize in 20 years. Yeah, it is all possible. So then you can do a membership community when the exclusive content, my monthly course, my private group. So yabakhipha ke labantu la ku free class. So see, I for those who really want special attention, sinayo program for what? For EVIP, ufake usho ukuthi ihamba njani le program le. Uyakhe kahle nje. You can ask ChatGPT, you can ask any of the AIs succeeded to create a program. Ufake nje ukuthi what type of program you are doing, bese kuba nema-sponsorships noma ama-brand deals lapho wena ama-sponsored post khona, ama-product reviews, brand ambassadorship. Loku u-achieve nasone audience. Nabe nje you've got like 20K wama-followers on your Facebook page, on your TikTok. Le platform leyo you can monetize it in a sense ukuthi bantu labafuna ku-advertiser ku-page lakho, you charge them. Do you know how much we pay for ama-content creators nas-advertiser le nto tethu leti? Ma-content creators angwane they really charge. Hey, at least le ngisebenza nayo for now is charging me 250 because we come a long way. I once asked another content creator, another nje lena emjwayele, wangicharge 1.5. What's a video lata yakha, it will be 60 seconds. Ukuthi ayiposte nje egroupini lakhe, ukuthi angakhele video ya 60 seconds. It is part of ama-sponsored posts ne, i-affiliate marketing nje leyo. Yena ucharge 1.5 just to post for me once epagini lakhe. He's a comedian. Just once, it's 1.5. Yini inkinga? Une followership. So kuba nema-followers is not just because you want to dance naked lapha ka-TikTok for nothing. Kuthi ufuna usibone magistrini yakho. My friend, I told you that don't be like that, ne? Don't be dumb. Don't be dumb. Siyathi ukuthi ugcoka kahle. Then what? So what? Is it giving you any money? No. Is it paying your bills? No. Then what are you doing? Thina into seyathi ukuthi nemaswati ukuthi sihambe siya TikTok, sihambe siya Facebook, so nema-dance challenge and be dancing there for nothing. I basically just cabanga. Guys, yasihlula kucabanga. Other people are making money off TikTok by monetizing the platform. Not ukuthi uyi-monetize in the sense ukuthi TikTok akubhadale, but unayo followership. So start opening up ukuthi if you want to advertise on my page, how much is it? Ufake i-price lapho. Usho ukuthi post yinye ingimalini, ama-post lamabili twice a week, how much is that? Wakhe ama-packages for people who want to advertise and stop dancing naked for nothing there. we're tired of looking at your pam pam. Ne? Then now let's get my freelance services. My freelance services now let's when I am into freelance, whereby you see what say I'm not working anywhere. Like I'm good in Kashokon. And I don't have an office anyway. My office is in my house, right? So Shogoti, I bought this computer, I bought the desk, I bought the chair. This is where I work. I'm a freelancer. But my service is A2. For instance, I'm running this class, ne? Basing banema one-on-ones for business people. Banlaba see, let me come to their business and do some work. We do that. Some people want us to come and train their staff on sales and marketing. We do that. A group of people who have called each other would say, no, we need someone to teach us this, then we are coming. It is what we call freelance services. And then buba nalamanima platforms this now where you can apply. Skolil, I think you have a question. I am seeing your hand up, or it was a mistake. Okay, Skolil, I saw your hand. I think it was a mistake. It is okay. All right. Basically, so by now, my platforms, the where we can apply for work outside the country to do. For instance, I can provide my services by graphic designer. I can provide my services by a writer. There's AI now, so whatever skill you want, whatever product you want, Nyalo, I am able to turn down the minimum 7 because I know I can't do this anymore. Uyakubona lokhu sponsorisha ama-post. Do you know ukuthi kunema business who don't know how to do sponsored ads? And do you know how much these people are willing to pay for this thing? You see, for uyabona lama settings lebe nginika wona Ntolo, lama steps lawo nje, la ngi-5 I think. Do you know that every month there are people who are paying me to do that thing for them in their pages? So they send imali sponsorisha, then they send email a service fee for me to do it for them. And I don't touch less than 300. Trust me, my friend. I don't charge less than 300. But Lom70, is it really work? No, it is just a matter of a few steps. But because it is a service, Nami service charge. If you are not willing to pay the price, thank you so much. I will see you next time. I'm gone because it is my service. So you can start that as a business. Ube is social media manager. Lento lesibita nge-social media management. It is simply wena utiza nema-poster for ibhizinisi yalo muntu, uwaposte, uwasponsorishe, kusho ukuthi uba ngu-admin ephejini lakhe. So even if ibhizinisi akusho ukuthi phela sekuphelile. No. If you look at the number of pages I'm managing in my Facebook profile, I'm managing a lot of pages for serious businesses, but it doesn't mean they're all mine. I'm just doing work on behalf of clients. Ne? So you can do that. You can start that. You have the skill. If you understand, go over the videos we had. Go over that video and check the steps. Okay, until you master it. Try it and see if it works. If it works, that's good. Awudzingi ukuthi uze ube ne-laptop leli cingo lama-apps lenginike wona akuthandi i-business suite ne-meta ads. Those two apps are the only apps you need ecingweni lakho ukuze umanage ama-pages ebantu. It is simple work. I-posters uyakwati yakhanyalo, right? So you just need to design good posters and maybe some videos. Mina nje i-package yami nabo ufuna ngumanage le page lakho per month it is 500. Ngenda ini lo 500 ngakunika ama-posters lang 3 na 2 ama-videos per month. Every month the person has to pay for me 500 emalangeni. But now sacala you can start from 300 because lo muntu uyatibhadalela le budget yekusponsorisha, but le service fee yekwenta le tinto iyodvwana eceleni. So uba nale service fee bese-ke sekuya ngayo ukuthi ufuna ukuspenda malini per day, per month, per week, ne? Why not start this business first thing tomorrow morning? But unga-advertise info longakayimasterisha. Try it out. And ungafuni kuhlulwa yinto ukuthi ayi le nto ilikhulu. No. Ungafuni kuhlulwa yinto ungafuni kuhlulwa yinto. Nabe kulukhuni uyangena lapha ka-YouTube uyasesha ukuthi how to sponsor ads, how to edit this, how to hamba ka-YouTube. Amavidiyo ka-YouTube akhona ama-tutorials for free. For free. Uyekele ukubukela abantu abangicunga ka-TikTok. It's not paying you anything. It's not making any money for you. Yabona? So you find ukuthi this thing that I'm telling you right now, I in a capital, like you don't need any money for it. Like literally, you don't need any money for it. When I started this journey, bengi focus kakhulu on graphic design. Le graphic design bengiyendiswa ukuthi I need money for what? For data bundles. So ngwakhela i-poster, ngwakhela i-CV, all those things. Lento lethu ukwenda Canva, right? Then I get paid. Ngithatha le mali leyo ngothenga ipackage yakwaSwazi Mobile. So ukhanza ukuthi ipackage ya 100 rand, uya 50 rand. Ya 50 rand was a lot. I was like, this is good. Ukhanza ukuthi umsebenzi wenyuka ya 100 rand yaba yincane, ya 195 yaba yincane. Ngathola i-Wi-Fi ya 395 per month yaSwazi Mobile yangangisebentela. Nyalo ngibhadala i-Wi-Fi ya 800 per month kajeni simply because of the work. The work is sponsoring all the expenses. But ngaqalaphi lo msebenzi bengiwusponsorisha by doing graphic design. Hayi ukuthi I'm a professional graphic designer, but kuna AI, kuna Canva. I can do everything with that. I can do everything with that. Icingo lami licishe in the middle of designing because I didn't have a good phone. Licishe in the middle of designing. Yes, it is part of the journey. But akusho ukuthi phela sekuphelile. No. You can do it. You can do it. Me, I believe that you can, because I know where I started. I know how the situation was. I was a mess. Trust me, I was a mess. 2 years back, 3 years back, I was a mess. I didn't have any money anyway, any small 50 rand anyway. I just had to post on my Facebook because I'm now doing posters. Another group, another very, very good app, let's say, to create ema posters is nangabe ufuna kwenda i-posters esonfeni, ngabe ufuna kwenda i-posters esonfeni, there is this site. It's not an AI ke yona, it's a site. So utovela uchafate nje, utovela uchafate le link leya, utovela uchafate le link leya, and then you go for it. It is called Poster My Wall. It makes very, very good posters. Esonto nje asesonfeni onke endiwa ema-poster asesonfeni endiwa ngimi for free because it is my church, because it is my church. Besibhadala 350 for a poster where we were doing it. Sibhadala graphic designer, and I said, no, I'm going to learn the skill. And after learning the skill, now I am able to do posters. But since it is a business, you can start it out. Poster My Wall, muhle, when them a poster amahle mbamba, on a serious note. On a serious note, okay, I'm a poster asesonfeni and they are very nice. Trust me, they are very, very nice. Ufana na Canva naye, uthi na ungena uye lapha ku-search button, hayi la ku-describe what you want to create, that one is AI. Uya lapha ku-search designs and more, usho ukuthi ngifuna ini, ngifuna i-revival i-revival service. This one is very, very good, this one. Then you search, then kutakurecommendela ke ukuthi la ngikhathi kiko kuna maphi ema-services, kuna maphi ema-posters, I mean to say. Ase ngithi nje asesikhethe yinye, then we're going to edit one. So yabona nje naye bese uchafata lesandla le pen, uchafata le pen, then itawuvuleka ke le poster loyikhethile at that time. So nakhona nje kufana nale besikwenda Canva ukuthi you touch whatever you want, konke kuya-editheka. Uyasho ukuthi konke nje kuya-editheka, uthi Mcebisi Church in Zion, yabona ucala isondlo lakho Mcebisi Church in Zion, ubuye unciphise kahle ifoni yakho. Take your time, you are not rushing anywhere. Lesikhathi unaso mos, nawe uyakhona ngena ka-TikTok ubukele abantu abangcono, then you do have time and you do have data bundles. Yini ama-data akho wena aphela sekufuneke wente serious work, kepha nawo nawudlala akapheli? No, you're lazy. It is laziness. There is no excuse, yabona. Then ushintshe lesithombe. Naw usitshintsha lesithombe siyavula la, uya lapha ku-replace, then utshintsha lesithombe uthi replace. Please don't tell me to repeat the instructions that I am saying right now because I am very slow, so it is easy for you to write it down. Utshintsha lesithombe, uya ku-replace, then uya ku-uploads. Uploads, then nabe ude ku-uploads uya kuphi? Upload from device. Upload from device ukumikisa kuphi? Ukumikisa ku-gallery yasecingweni lakho noma yakukhompyutha yakho. So uyaye uyofuna lesithombe lofuna kusisebenzisa, uyangiva mos? Uyofuna lesithombe lofuna kusisebenzisa, then where can I get a picture? Okay, let me take this picture here of this man. This guy, but he looks like a nice man. So lesithombe nawe usithatha kwekucala, like ngiyakhumbula ukuthi lokho sikusebenzisa to readjust the sizes emakona. It is either to decrease or to increase the size. Then lokulamkhathini it is to increase, decrease, yabona. So ndawuthi crop and add. So lesithombe sami lesi, yazibona sesingenile lapha le bekunalo sis khona, because mine ngingumfundisi wasemcebisi eChurchini Zion. So sifaka umfundisi la, yabona. Konke lokhu yaku-editha lokhu, konke lokhu yaku-editha. Nawuchafada nje, uchafade kangi-2 kuya-editheka. Uyasho konke, take your time, seyiphelele iposter, uchaja 150. Iposter siyibita 150. But nabe usacala, you can start on 100 rand. Iposter lena you can do it in less than an hour or 30 minutes, then uthola 100 rand wakho for free. So you can use lama skills lawa to sponsor the real skill noma the real business lofuna kuyenda. At the end of the day, konke lokho kwenda, it is to lead up to where you want it to be. Bese nawucedza awusho uthi share, please. Even if on any platform share simsebenzisa ka-Canva kuphela, nakhona ukuthi usimikisa ku-download button. Any other platform uchafata download, ne? Any other platform uchafata download. Once was download, i-message ivele ingene just once. Alright, bengendlula lapho. So I was talking about the freelance services, then ibe nabo YouTube nabo TikTok. Alright, then alright, la lengakakusho itolo about YouTube, unana info na yema sponsored videos nabo affiliate links. Once waba ne-followership ka-YouTube, ma-companies atawucala akubhalele athi acela akupromotha ema-products abo on your channel. Bona bamcoka ngema-followers akho, bamcoka ngema-subscribers akho. So some of them, they can be willing to pay up to a lot of thousands. Angisho ngathi lawa ngema-global companies, kusho ukuthi akadili emalangeni, kudilwa ngemali mbamba la. So bathi bakhele ivideo ya 3 minutes, uyiposte epagini lakho about them to your audience, and then they send, and ababi bakhuluma story, they just pay you before you start. They give you your money, uhambe uyokha ivideo ya 3 minutes uyiposte lapha. You know, I was shocked ukuthi one time I was somewhere and my mentor just was like he was declining an offer ukuthi ucela ba-advertise epagini lakhe watamnika 30,000, and then he was like declining the offer. Was, no, I don't deal with some small money like this anymore, I deal with serious money now. I was like, what? Kunebantu la ngephandle who are declining monies like this? Ngathi mina, even if it was 1,000, I was going to take the deal because I need the 1,000. But as you grow, kwanza usuccess imali leyo, sekuneti imali letingethu. So if you grow your audience well, trust me, you will make money. You will make money. That thing pays. Then kuba self-published books, e-books, guides, like I was saying before. So logo you just charge however you want to charge it. Bese sekuba service packages. Service packages now you can offer services to people. I-service leskwendako nje thina ngama-service based, because there's no product attached angithi. And then you can also start your own drop shipping business. Ngiya-understand ukuthi ema-platforms ethu akangwani akasilungele ukuthi sende i-drop shipping kahle, because asikhoni ukubhadala abantu online, asikhoni ukwenza ama-online payments. Okay, umthetho wakangwane uthi uyakhona ukubhadala outside payments, but wena ukhona uku-receive imali from outside. You cannot just attach your bank card ukuthi abantu basende khona imali. Bese-ke we try to have some platforms esingawasebenzisa around the clock, usebenzise bantu, usebenzise amakhadi abantu base-South Africa because you want to receive payments, but it has to be someone lomthembako mbamba. You have to be someone lomthembako mbamba, and then be able to get payments from outside the country. Because ngike ngazama nje, Mukuru bekasendele kwaba lula ukuthi ka Mukuru bokhona kuvula likhadi, uthole likhadi la Mukuru which you can use in any ATM kangwane, and you can receive payments from outside. But they are having challenges now, sebafuna kumkhipha Mukuru because Swaziland is just like that. Otherwise, we've been using Mukuru, it's been working very well. Sikhona receive our payments from outside and send money from outside without any problem. Mukuru ukuthi uhambile lapha egedeni uyowakha likhadi lakho, bakunika likhadi the same time ube nelikhadi lakho eli-activator, 100 rand, then you're good to go. So nari Mukuru card ne, then or usebenzise likhadi lomthembako sihlobo sakho ukuthi abantu batabosendela yini imali yakho, then you can send them your services. Kunalamanye ama-platforms leswasebenzisako also. There's this one called Seller. So Seller simsebenzisa for when you are selling service based products. Asengithi nje ufuna kuthengisa le ncwadi yakho, ufuna kuyithengisa outside, so you can open a you can open an account kaSeller, bese you list your products there. Asengikwele nje kube short practical labo labafuna kuthengisa tintfo to outside people. So Seller is like this, ngisela ligama lale platform le, then start selling with Seller, uyangena, then we are create an account, your name, your surname, your email address, your password, nago, then you are in. Then you are in. But since it's now account, I just have to log in. Once I log in, no, that's not my name. Okay, but I do have another account which the young 70s are. The young 70s are logging in with another account. Let's look it. Kuthi bese sengiyawakhohlwa namananjani ama-accounts ami, because they are a lot, man. They are a lot. Manje bese sengiyakhohlwa ukuthi which is which, my-password and stuff. Otherwise angisebenzisi kakhulu le-platform right now. Nje ngifuna i-password lese ngiyikhohliwe mina. Otherwise uyangena lapha, then you create your email and password. I do have an account. Nginga ukuthi I have forgotten my details. Azange log in with Google. So log in with Google, maybe angangendela fast. Because usually my passwords go Google, they are automatically saved. So uyabhalisa-ke igender yakho, uyasho ukuthi male, date of birth uyasho ukuthi 2701, maybe 2003, abadala 2003, contact number uyayifaka. You just continue there, then you save, uyangena. Then they're going to send a verification link by send to your email. Ngeke ukhona nje ukuchubeka la nangabe funeka uhambe ucheck i-email address yakho kucala, ucheck ukuthi did they send an email. So uyangena ku-email yakho. Nalokuba nema-emails lamaningi kuhlupha ngale nto le. Ngamanyala ngiyazi le email ukuthi kuphi leya leya. You see, these things wasting my time. Okay, then lokwenda ukuthi uyahamba uye lapha ku-add your bank details. Lapha ku-bank details ufaka lama-details aleli khadi lalo muntu lwase-South Africa lotamsebenzisa. Ngilolo talisebenzisa naso withdraw la, ne? That's the one you use. Then you can add your products. Now I also have to send the link on how to create your account here. No, it is actually there, man. That's quite I'm sending, and I'm like, just forward it after class. It's an easy platform. Okay, are we still together? Or I am losing people. I'm losing people. Any questions? Before I get to the questions in the group. Okay. All right, let's go and start from question 1. Okay, the ideas is that I want to save the community at large. Currently, we travel miles when we need to have photographers, okay? Especially for weddings, parties, lobola. You can come, you can name them. I want to take videos in all activities organized at a fee. I guess I could get fast money. I want to even make programs, posters, audios for future references. Okay, so Nigiwe, wena ufuna kwenda photography. Okay, if you already have a camera, if you do have a camera, you can go for it. Otherwise, Mac services like so, it is all about the package. Once you work the package right, would say how much per hour, maybe how much for 10 pictures, how much for a wedding, how many hours nakona, if video, do you take videos? Normal, you just take pictures for now. Otherwise, no cameraman I've been using him since my wedding day. No, before that guy, since my engagement, I've been using the same camera. That is like 2022 or so. Yeah, 2022 or 2020, somewhere there. But till today, ngisebenzisa munye cameraman. Loyalty. Photos are still good. Ama-fees amnaye akafani nema-fees abo bonke abantu because I work with him. Ema-videos ngiwasebenzisa for advertising my classes. Ema-video la lengiwakha khona e-studio. Just a 30 seconds video or 60 seconds video. So once you are good, and make sure ukuthi you watch YouTube nje, you check ama-settings like grand, ku-adjust brightness, ku-adjust how to use the camera. Ungafani nami kuthi na nginika i-camera mine I will just ask ukuthi okay uchapha kuphi na uthatha sithombe, then I just do that. No, you need to know the right English ukuthi okay. Okay, I think again network is cool if you're complaining about that. Then do English, let's start for how do you take the right English? Am I headshot? Am I full body shot? Am I side shots? Know all those things. Leyo nje language yakho that you should know so that lo msebenzi wakho atawuba lula. And if possible, open the Facebook page as a photographer, then be posting pictures there because bantu bafuna kubona ukuthi vele tithombe takho tinjani. Esonfeni lakho you can take free pictures for the service and be posting them on your page every Sunday. But bantu hayi indlela entfo le. Nasine function esonfeni sesitawubita nanomuntu now. So take pictures for free. You can be taking pictures around. Like you're just using a battery there. Asafani nakathini ukuthi kuphela film memory card nyalo lesebenza. So you can go for it, Niki. You can go for it, all right. Then uthi Ncobile, my business idea is to own a clothing shop that sell quality clothing and home essentials at affordable prices. I want to sell books online, Makari books. Okay, you can just go Google and upload your book there, and then you start selling it. Umuntu nakafuna, you just send them the link. Gasela payment iba automatic. Gasela payment iba automatic. I'm going to send a video. Ndawubona kahle ukuthi how does it work? Iba automatic wena kokuthi nje udownload imali yakho kuphela withdraw, I mean. Then if you want to start your own clothing shop, you can go for, I've got a whole list of suppliers. I've got a whole list of suppliers for nice things. Let me just check. Depending what ufuna ukuthengisa in. For instance, asengithi, you see, this is my wife's page. This is my wife's page. Kitchen and household essentials Eswatini. So she started this, think November last year. This is her WhatsApp. This is her WhatsApp group. So she sells things decently. Then when along kwenda ukuthi asengithi usesethi supply le right, you do this. Ungena la page lakhe, you look at the products. This is an electric hand dryer aseng increase nje le font in 620. Then uthi wena 620 plus 200 wakho, then you start advertising within 820, just like that. Iskali, i-package, air-fry, blender, kitchen toaster, all for 1.5. Wena nje ungeta 200 wakho kwakho ukuthi ufake order kuye ulandzeka amanzini. You build your customer base. She does have quite a number of nice products that you can really sell. Lamanye mancane, but they are worth it. You can sell Bibles, wachuphe kuye Bible about 550. There are really some cool stuff. There. So you can just start like that. Or uyabuya kimi utofuna i-list yama-suppliers nabo ufuna azengizofuna kuthengisa in with the suppliers. I will give you a lot. I have a lot of suppliers. Whatever that you might need, I can connect you with the right people, and for very, very, very good prices. For very good prices. You can check out, I think, to see her catalog kahle, you can just visit Facebook. Ungeneka. Let me close all these many pages here. They are distracting my work. Angathi computer busy kangaka. So it is actually easy because lana awudzingi imali tenta letinto leti. Now uthengisa timpahla nje, for instance, bantu uthi abende njani abafake order, right? Umuntu ufaka order